Hello guys, good morning. Uh, Ngayon, ipapakita natin yung solution para sa problem na 10.3 under the topic of power of tangent and secant. So, bago natin yung sagutan, i-share muna natin or talakayin muna natin yung tatlong cases. So, before yung tatlong case, no? Gusto ko lang i-remember sa inyo, sa identity natin, sa Grego, meron tayong ang secant squared x, yung x is, sabi natin, angle, theta, or kahit ano, secant squared x, minus tangent, sulat natin ng maayos. Tangent squared x is equal to 1. So, ito siya, pwede natin siya i-rearrange or isulat ng, for example, we have secant squared x is equal to 1 plus tangent squared x with respect to secant. Or pwede naman natin isulat as tangent squared x is equal to 1. Ano siya? No, this is secant squared x minus 1. Okay? So, huwag niyo yung kalimutan. Magagamit natin yan. So, tangent, positive, secant minus 1. Okay? So, another thing na kailangan natin remember is, for example, is the derivative of tangent is secant squared. And the derivative of secant is secant tan. So, huwag natin kalimutan. So, for example, we have the derivative of tangent x is equal to secant squared x dx. Then the derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tangent x dx. So, yan sila magagamit natin yan, guys. So, huwag nang kalimutan. So, meron tayong tatlong case tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. Unang case is case 1. Okay? Sa case 1 is when m is any number, no? M is any number, and n is positive, even great positive. Sulat natin. N is positive, even integer, greater than 2. Okay? So, m is the exponent of tangent and n is the exponent of secant. So, for example, pwede natin siya isulat or we may write, for example, we have tangent m, secant, n. Ayan natin x. Okay? So, pwede natin siya isulat as tangent m, secant, n is positive, even integer, greater than 2. So, pwede tayong for example, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Basta at even and greater than 2. So, n minus 2 secant squared. Bigyan natin ng x. X. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang isulat ng ganyan. Bakit greater than 2? Kasi pag n is equal to 2, meron na tayong ano siya? 0. So, secant to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Oh, yan yung case 1. Okay? So, sa case 2, when m is positive integer, and n is any number, okay, we may write tangent mx secant nx is pwede natin siyang isulat as we have tangent m minus 1 secant n minus 1 Okay? Tangent x, nalimutan natin x. X, secant x. Okay? So, bakit natin nire-write ng ganyan? Ito siya, take note, tangent x, secant x. Yan yung derivative ng secant x. Yung sa taas naman, saan yung kinuha natin? Itong secant squared, yan yung derivative ng tangent x. Okay? So, sinusulat natin ng ganyan para at least masegregate natin or mayroon tayong ma-come up na value for the derivative ng isang part ng integrand natin. Wait lang guys ha, sandali lang. Okay, I'm back. So, another case is yung case 3. Case 3. Okay. Sa case 3 is if or when m is positive, odd or even, integer, and n is equal to 0. Okay? So, pwede natin isulat ang tangent m x into tangent m minus 2 and tangent squared x. Okay? So, take note ang tangent squared x. Okay, yan siya. dx. Okay, so check. Let's solve for the problem. So, connect ko muna yung mga problem. Wait lang. Okay, what's the problem? Check na natin yung derivative. Wait lang guys ha. Okay. So, okay na yan. So, sa problem ng 10.3, okay, ang exercise 10.3, ang sasagutan lang natin is yung number 1, 3, 6, 9, and number 12. Okay? So, for number 1, we have the integral of tangent squared 2x secant to the 4 2x dx. Okay? So, we have ano bang problem sa taas? Case. We have case 2, n is positive integer, n is any number, m is any number, and positive integer greater than 2. So, for this one, I will prefer na we have m is any number and n is even integer greater than 2. So, we have second to the 4th. So, pwede natin, we will write this one as tangent squared 2x secant squared 2x secant squared 2x dx. Okay? So, from here, no? Ito yung gusto nating value ng after natin kumuha ng derivative ng variable u if ever nag-substitute tayo. So, take note, this is the derivative of tangent. Okay? 1/2 tangent 2x. So, take note sa integrand natin, meron pa tayong secant squared 2x. So, ito siya papalitan natin ng 1 plus tangent squared 2x. Okay? So, sa identity natin yan, sinulat natin kanina. So, we have integral of tangent squared 2x times 1 plus tangent squared 2x secant squared 2x dx. Okay? Dito siya, meron tayong plus operation natin. So, separate na natin. Distribute natin yung tangent 2x, secant squared 2x dx times 1. So, we have the integral of tangent squared 2x secant squared 2x dx. Okay. Then, plus, we have the distribute natin, tangent squared 2x times tangent squared 2x times secant squared 2x. Meron tayong tangent to the fourth 2x secant squared 2x dx. Nalimutan ko yung integral sign. So now, pwede natin i-integrate, no, ang dalawa. So we can let u is equal to tangent, wait, saan yung erase ko na? Let u is equal to tangent 2x. Then du, taking the derivative of both sides, we have tangent, the derivative of tangent is secant squared. We have secant squared 2x times the derivative of inside. Derivative ng 2x is equal to, this is 2 and dx. Okay? Then, dividing both sides by 2. Okay? Para ma-cancel out yung 2 dito. Bakit? Kasi sa taas natin, meron lang tayong secant squared 2x dx. Walang 2. So, kailangan natin siyang ilagay sa du. So, we have du over 2 is equal to secant squared 2x dx. Okay? So, ito yan siya. Ito yung du natin, du over 2. Ito naman yung du over 2. So, this is u to the 4th, and this one is u to the 2. So, kung isulat natin siya, so we have the integral of u squared du over 2 plus the integral of u to the 4th times du over 2. Okay? Or we have 1/2 times u 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 1/2 times u 4 plus 1. Okay? 4 plus 1 plus c. So, take note, every time integral tayo, dapat meron tayong constant. But, for example, meron tayong C1 dito, C2, pag i-add natin yan, the same constant. So, C. So, pag may constant tayo, talaga natin na constant pa rin. Okay? So, this one, we have 2 plus 1, 3 times 2, we have 6. So, u to the cube over 6 plus 4 plus 1, 5 plus, times 2, we have 10. So, excuse me. So, you have u to the 5th over 10 plus c. Or yung u natin is tangent 2x. We have, okay, wait lang. Tangent cube 2x over 6 plus ang 5 natin. Tangent 5 2x over 10 plus c. Okay? So, 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 5. Ito yung answer natin. Okay? So, before we proceed, take note. Ipakita ka lang. Take note yung tangent 2x to the power of cube is the same lang yan siya as tangent cube 2x. Okay? Equal yan sila. So, huwag kayong malilito niyan. So, next number 3. Number 3 is the integral of tangent x, the square root of tangent x, secant to the 6 x dx. Okay? So, the same. Yung m natin is 1/2. Then, n is even number, 6 greater than 2. So, doon pa rin tayo na case. We have the integral of tangent x, secant to the 4th x, secant squared x dx. Okay, so ito, palitan natin ang 1 plus tangent squared x. We have tangent x to the power of 1/2. No, square root is to the power of 1/2. We have second, wait, diretso na natin. 1 plus tangent squared x squared second squared x dx. Okay. So, bakit 1 plus tangent squared x? Take note, this one is, pwede natin isulat as second squared x squared, no? 2 times 2 to the power of 2. This is 4. So, same lang yan siya. So, ito yung pinalitan natin. 1 plus tangent 2x. Tapos, meron tayong to the power of 2 squared. Okay. So, now, simplify natin ito siya, no? Multiply natin 1 plus tangent 2x times 1 plus tangent 2x. This will be the integral of tangent x to the power of 1/2 times 1 plus 2 tangent squared x plus tangent to the 4th x. Okay? Second squared x dx. Now, we can distribute tangent x to the power of 1/2 on second squared x dx. So, 1 sa 2 times 2 tangent squared x at saka sa tangent to the 4th x. So, meron tayong dalawang operation, which is dalawang addition. So, pwede natin hatiin, tatlo. So, first, we have the integral tangent 1/2 times 1 and second squared x. So, we have tangent 1/2 second squared x dx plus the integral of tangent to the power of 1/2 times tangent to the squared. This is 2. Labas natin yung 2. Tangent 3/2 x second squared x dx. Okay? And now, sa pangatlo, sa tangent to the 4th, we have tangent 1/2 times tangent to the 4th. 4 plus 1/2, this is 9/2. Okay? The integral of tangent to the power of 9 over 2 second squared x dx. So, ngayon, pwede na tayo let u is equal to tangent x. Taking the derivative of both sides, du is equal to second squared x dx. Okay? So, ito yung du natin. Meron tayong du, and du. This is u to the 1/2. This is u to the 3/2. And this is u to the 9/2. So, sulat natin. Meron tayong the integral of u to the 1/2 du plus 2 integral of u to 5/2 du plus the integral of u to the 9/2 du. We have, kung integrate natin both side, isa-isa, we have u 1/2 over 1/2 plus c1, ito yung sinasabi kanina, plus 2 times u 5/2 plus 1 over 5/2 plus 1 plus c2 plus the integral, wala na integral dyan, plus u to 9/2 plus 1 over 9/2 plus 1 plus c3. Take note yung c1, c2, c3 is equal to c. So, pwede natin isahan lang. So, we have this one is u 1/2 over 1/2 plus, this is 1/2 plus 1. 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2 plus 2 times u 5/2, 1, 2 times 1, 3 plus 5, 8. 8/2 is 2 times 1, 3. 8 over 2. So, 4. 5/2. 2.5 plus 1, 3/2. Hindi siya. 5/2 plus 1. So, 2 times 1, 2 plus 7. Okay? 2 times 1 plus 1, 3 halves. Okay? So we have u to the 7 half over 7 half. Plus 2 times 1, 9, 11. u to the 11 over 11 half. This is 11 halves plus c. Okay, so meron tayong 2/3 u to the power of 1 half plus 2 times 2 over 7 to the u 7 halves plus 2 over 11 over half plus c. Take note yung u natin is tangent x. So, lagyan natin. We have 2/3 square root of tangent x plus 4 over 7 tangent 7 half x plus 2 over 11 tangent 11 over half x plus c. So, ito yung final answer natin. Okay, so question. Multiply pang copy man. Ito, sipon para kayawan pa. Yan kapon pa na coke. Okay, so continue tayo guys. Number natin. Number 6. Okay, we have number 6. Yung number 6 number 6 natin is secant to the 6 for x dx. Okay. Dito is the same case. Yung m natin is equal to 0. Tapos n is even integer greater than 2, 6. So, pwede natin siya isulat as the integral of secant to the 4 x secant squared 4x dx. Okay? So, meron tayong the integral of 1 plus tangent 4x squared secant squared 4x dx. So, now, distribute natin. Meron tayo, or pwede natin sulat para mas makita ninyo. 1 plus tangent wait, hindi ko ma-erase. Tangent squared 4x times 1 plus tangent squared 4x. Okay? Times secant squared 4x dx. So, cross multiply natin. 1 times 1. So, we have the integral of 1 plus 1 times tangent squared 4x plus 1 times tangent 4x. So, meron tayong dalawa. Tangent squared 4x plus tangent squared 4x times tangent squared 4x. This is tangent to the power of 4x. Then, secant squared 4x dx. So, distribute natin yung secant squared 4x dito sa tatlo. 1, 2, 3. So, separate na rin natin sa integral. We have the integral of secant x dx plus the integral of, labas natin yung 2 tangent squared 4x secant dx plus the integral of tangent to the 4th 4x secant 4x dx. Okay, so yan siya. So, ito siya. The integral of secant squared 4x dx is tangent 4x to the 4 plus c1. Okay, so kung i-check natin yan siya, so kung meron tayong the derivative of tangent to the 4th x over 4 is equal to tangent secant squared 4x times 4 over 4. So, cancel lang. Okay, so we have secant x. Ayan siya. So, the same. Okay? So, dito, sa dalawang to, ito siya. Pwede tayo mag-let u is equal to tangent 4x du is equal to, we have secant squared 4x times 4 dx. Dividing both side by 4 kasi sa taas walang 4 yung secant natin. So, makancel yung 4. So, we have du over 4 is equal to secant squared 4x dx. So, ito yung du over 4. Ito yung du over 4. So, meron tayong u to the 4th. Meron tayong u to the squared. Okay, so sulat natin. So, ito siya, meron tayong tangent to the 4x over 4 plus c1 plus 2 integral of u squared times du over 4. So, cancel natin ito, magiging 2. Plus the integral of u to the 4th du over 4. Okay? So, sulat natin, this is tangent x over 4 plus c1 plus 1/2 kasi 2 over 4, 1/2 integral of u squared du plus 1/4 integral of to the 4 d. Okay, so this is tangent or x of 4 plus c1 plus 1/2 u 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c2. Okay, yung c2 natin, c1 is equal to c plus 1/4 times u 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c3. Okay, so itong c2 dapat sa loob to siya kasi, pero 1/2 times c2 same pa rin, c constant. So c1 plus c2 plus c3 is equal to constant c. So isang c na lang yan. So we have tangent 4x over 4 plus u cube 3 times 2 6 plus u to the 5th 4 plus 1 5 times 4, this is 20 plus c. So meron tayong tangent to the 4 plus tangent 4x tangent to the cube 4x over 6 plus tangent to the 5th 4x over 6 plus c. Ito yung answer natin. Okay? So, next number is number 9. So, number 9 is ito tayo. Number 9. Okay. Number 9 is the integral of secant 3x tangent 3x to the power of 4 dx. Okay. So, ito siya. Medyo, kung titingnan natin yung problem, medyo mahirap tingnan. Pero sa totoo lang, napakadali lang ito. So, tangent secant to the power, tangent 3x to the power of 4. So, pwede natin isulat as secant to the 4 3x and tangent to the 4 3x. Okay. So, we have m is any number. Then we have n is greater than 2, even integer. So, pwedeng gano'n. Same case pa rin. We have the integral of secant squared 3x, secant squared 3x dx over tangent 4 3x. Okay? Yung isa nito is pwede natin palitan into 1 plus tangent squared. Okay? So, we have the integral 1 plus tangent squared 3x times secant squared 3x dx 8 na dx over tangent to the power of 3x. Okay. So, distribute natin yung secant squared 3x over tangent for 3x. So, 1 at saka tangent squared 3x. So, pwede na lang i-separate para hindi natin mahirap tingnan. So, this is secant squared times 1 secant squared 3x over tangent to the power of 4 3x dx plus the integral of tangent squared x secant squared 3x dx over tangent to the power of 4 3x. Ito siya. Cancel yung square sa taas. So, ang matitira na lang is dalawa sa baba. Isulat natin. Excuse me. So, the integral of secant dx so, sige na tayo para sa kape ya. Koke pa di ka.
Ha?
Na.
Pinagyan mo to?
Ay, 60 lagi di koke. Talo kape lagi mo.
Yan.
Ito kape. Bigyan 60
Nando
pa
kami ninom ka sa po.
Da.
Oh?
Ika may mabukura pa.
Oo, wala ka na po na.
Sorry guys.
Kamo ni na pumasa.
Okay, so now integrate na natin. So pwede tayo mag-let u is equal to tangent 3x. And we have the derivative of tangent 3x. This is secant squared 3x times the derivative of inside, which is 3 dx. So take note, sa taas wala tayong 3. Okay, so divide natin both side by 3. Cancel out yung 3. So meron tayong du over 3. Meron tayong du over 3 is equal to secant squared dx dx. Okay? So, sulat natin. So, meron tayong the integral of u to the fourth secant squared 3x dx. This is du over 3. Okay? Plus u to the squared. Then we have secant squared dx du over 3. So, ito siya. No? Pwede natin sulat as 1/3 integral of u to the negative 4 du plus 1/3 integral of u to the negative 2 du. Okay. So, 1/3 times u negative 4 plus 1 over negative 4 plus 1 plus 1/3, hindi ko na sinulat yung c para isang c na lang, times u negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay? So, we have 1/3 times u negative 3 plus 1/3 times u negative 1 then negative 1 plus c. So, negative 3 times negative 3, we have u to the negative 3 over 9 plus u to the negative 1 over negative 3, negative 9. So, meron tayong 1, negative 1 over negative 1 over 9u. U cube plus minus 1 over negative 3u. Okay? Yung u natin is tangent 3x. So, lagay natin negative 1 over is equal to negative 1 over 9 times tangent cube 3x plus, minus 1 over negative 3 wala, meron na 3, nandiyan yung negative 3 times tangent 3x plus C. So, ito yung answer natin. Okay? Number 12. Okay, so number 12 is we have the integral of square root of secant 5x times secant squared 5x tangent 5x dx. Okay, sa problem na to, yung n natin is 2. So, even pero 2 siya. Then, plus meron tayong to the power of 1/2. And we have tangent, which ang m is equal to 1. So, this is case 3. Okay. So, ang target natin na makuha dito is yung secant x or tangent x, which is the derivative of secant x. So, dito, pwede natin sulat to siya as square root of secant 5x times secant 5x times secant 5x times tangent 5x dx. Okay? So, ito yung derivative ng secant. So, we have 1/2 and 1. So, or pwede natin sulat as secant to the power of 3/2. 1 plus secant 1 times ito, secant 5x to the power 1 times secant 5x to the power of 1/2. So, 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. Times secant 5x tangent x dx. So, ito yung derivative ng secant. So, let u equal to secant 5x. So, du is equal to secant 5x tangent 5x times derivative ng inside 5x, which is 5 dx. Okay? So, meron ulang 5 sa taas. So, divide natin both side by 5 para makancel yung 5. So, we have du over 5 is equal to secant 5x tangent dx. So, yung problem natin is meron na tayong the integral of u to the power of 3/2 du over 5. Or we have 1/5 integral of u 3/2 du. So, kurang bagay. We have 5 times u 3/2. Okay, wait lang. 3/2 plus 1 over 3/2 plus 1 plus c. This is 1/5 times u 5/2 over 5/2 plus c, or meron tayong 2 over 25 times u 5/2 plus c, or meron tayong 2 secant 5/2 5x
Pwede kang Tuesday.
Wala ginawa may ka na x over 25 plus c. Okay, so that's all for so yung answer natin. Okay, so hope na naintindihan niyo yung discussion natin. So that's all for today and goodbye. Buyers!